Hello again, and welcome to my Creative African Cooking channel, Indudu by Fafa. So today, without exception, I'm going to show you how to make the most fragrant fennel rice. But guess what? It's going to be smoky and it's going to be packed with natural flavors, of course. And I'll be creating more recipes with this rice. So of course, I've melted my butter in my clay pot, and I love that smokiness that is being infused into my butter. Next thing is I'm adding my star anise for that aromatic flavor, and also my black cardamom. You see where I'm going with this? Kitchenosity. For that warmth and sweetness, we add in some cinnamon sticks to this infusion. Next thing is, for that residual heat, I'm adding my dried red chilies. In the absence of that, you can use your normal fresh chilies, not a problem. And as usual, I'm mixing everything till it's well combined. Now, the main ingredient, or spice may I say, is the fennel seeds. Now, they have that licoricey flavor that's just going to make this dish so fragrant and incredible. And of course, by frying this in the butter, it means that the butter just gets slightly burned, so it has this sort of nutty flavor. And you've got this aromatic flavor that, you know, once you add the rice to it, you are just going to be in rice haven. Now, at this point, just imagine the smell in your kitchen. It's just going to be incredible. Now, I'm using the extra long Layla rice, basmati rice that is, and I'm just going to wash my rice till the water runs clear, as I always mention. So I wash it, I think, about 3 to 4 times, and then I soak it in some hot water whilst my infusion is taking place on the side. You see, this is not any other food. This is Indudu by Fafa. So after 15 minutes of soaking, the temperature of the water has just calmed down. So of course, I am adding my rice to my infused butter mixture here. And I'm just going to fry this mixture for about 5 minutes, just to allow all the flavors to infuse or permeate through the rice. As I always say, if you want to cook flavor-packed dishes, this is the channel for you. So you better click the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. And also the notification button, so each time I do upload a video, you're notified of it. Look at this. And yes, you do need to add your salt to taste. So I'm just going to mix this till it's well combined and just fry for another minute or 2. Next thing is I'm going to add some moisture to this. So I'm going to add some water to my rice. Now notice the amount of water I use here. It's next to nothing. I just need the water to just cover the surface slightly. That's all you need. I'm adding 3 bay leaves to this infusion. This is optional, you can omit that altogether, but it just adds that extra flavor yet again. And now you just need to leave the rice to cook in its own steam. And of course, multitasking, just making sure my surfaces are clean. After 15 to 20 minutes, when you open this is the pièce de résistance. Molwa dam daka daka daka. Ona omo enje kume kume. This is a perfectly cooked rice. And I don't want it to overcook it as well, because of course I am going to continue cooking this by creating about 2 to 3 more recipes using this rice, which is obviously packed with natural flavors. This is not any other food. This is Indudu by Fafa, and I hope I have given you that reason to click the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Naturally, I'll leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog, indudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm also on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter as Indudu by Fafa, so do pass by and say hi. Noel, thank you very much for my theme song, and until next time, you take care of you, you be nice, you be beautiful, you be your gorgeous self. Me love you for you.